see, there is a very fancy coffee. It's not just the here is I am in Southland, so it's a red line, so all the way I will go to the downtown. I am just in front of the one of the tallest building in Calgary, which is Stella Sky.
So I'm going to take Friday off. I can head up to Albany. Oh, really? Yeah.
This is what Calgary downtown inside. See all around the Calgary all the Stampede decoration for Stampede 2024. So this is the plus 15 tours, the Stephen Avenue Place South.
Yep.
What's up? Today is 19 June, Wednesday 2024, and the time right now is 3:40 p.m. and the temperature in Calgary is 10 degrees Celsius, rainy. And in this video I'm going to show you guys a rainy day and rush hour downtown. Let's start the walk. This is the first time here. I'm in Southland C train station. So here is the train line. And this is the ticket counter. Yeah. So that will be my single adult pass. Just tap my card. Now ticket is processing. It's here. Okay. Now in the map I can show you where is the Southland. Here is I am in Southland, so it's a red line, so all the way I will go to the downtown C train station. Let's go. And of course it's a fare paid zone. Hello. So here is the northbound towards the city center. And the other side is Southland, is southbound.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Our alertee is coming. It's a red line. So as you know, Calgary C train station, like a C train line, has two, red line and green. So I get down on the City Hall or Bow Valley College station.
The next Somerset Rhinewood train is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line. This train is Somerset Rhinewood.
It's the City Hall, Calgary. So many flowers is here. Last week, the whole last week was rainy. Still is rainy, and weather says, news says it will be rainy next week also. It's not only Calgary, it's all over the Alberta. I think yesterday it was snowing in Banff, Waterton, and surrounding area, Canmore.
It's almost like
Hey, look, there is a hot dog guy. I never saw him. I think he's new here. It's cold. 10 degree means it's cold. I just packed up my all the winter clothing and now it's unpacked again. Everything is going so expensive. Literally, it's very hard to afford everything right now. You can hear that Calgary now facing a big like a crisis in job sector. Yeah, it's true, but if you are qualified and skilled worker who is immigrant, newly immigrant in Canada, I think it's not that difficult to find a job for them. And normally when you come into the new like a country, it takes time to understand their job culture and job field, everything. So in that case you can contact so many job agency company, like Calgary has so many job agency company, like if you can Google it, you can know all the names and they can help you to get the job. Because right now so many big company, they close their HR department and they hire from the third party company, which is very convenient for them. So that's why it's literally find the job directly from the company. But if you contact with the HR like a job agency, it will be easier for you guys. Now it start raining. I need to open my umbrella. Now I'm ready with my umbrella and it's windy too. Did you guys notice one thing? Whenever I show you all the downtown, you never see any shop or restaurant in the downtown except the Stephen Avenue. Literally, the intersection right now is 6th Avenue Southeast and the 1 Street Southeast. So this one is one of the major like intersection where start all the big office building, but you never see outdoor any shop or restaurant or anything. Do you know why? I will make a video. This is why you don't see that much restaurant or any other shop. In Calgary downtown, because Calgary downtown has the +15 network. So if you are new here, what is +15 network? +15 network is a skywalk. It connects all the downtown office building each other, so that you don't have to get down on the street to go one office to another. So pretty much you can, whenever you walk in the street, pretty much you can notice the +15 sign. It's hard to hold umbrella one hand and another hand I'm holding my gimbal. Normally Calgary, it's not like that much rainy. I don't know what's happening this year. It's all global warming. Yeah. I think this is the year Calgary experienced most rainy days in that time. So here you can see the bridge. It connects the Bow building and I don't know, I think it's Suncor building. They connect each other. And on that side you can see the bridge also, they connect each other building. Woo! It's windy. My umbrella. I think rain is stopped. I need to close my umbrella. It's very difficult to carry umbrella during vlogging. It's very cold and windy.
So I'm gonna take Friday off. I think to head up to Albany. Oh really? Yeah. And I haven't had like a lot of time to myself. Don't take it off. Yeah, I don't see you then. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you too. Let me know on the fish. I'm sure it's good.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be good. We might go like I think
That's chilly out here. Chelsea and I be like, have fun.
So right now I am just in front of one of the tallest building in Calgary, which is Tela Sky. Look how tall it is. And this is, oh, the artwork is new, and Tela Sky building is just in, like, together is First Street Southwest C train station. Here you can see the plus 15 network skywalk. So this is the sign. You can follow the sign and you can take the plus 15 from the Tela Sky to go anywhere in the downtown.
Customer train is around. Please stand behind the yellow line.
So it's a rush hour. You can see how many people
This
are
train
here.
customer.
just running because it's a home time.